Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to Marty's Craft Corner. Today I would like to show you how you can give your simple pattern paper a little bit more life, make it a little bit more exciting by giving it a shimmering effect. I would even say turn it into a pearlized pattern paper. So what I'm going to be using today is this pattern paper from Stampin' Up. It's from the Autumn Winter catalogue and it's called Festive Farmhouse Designer Series paper. So that's what I'm using today to show you. So this one doesn't have any effect, it's just a simple pattern paper. And I'm going to turn it into a pearlized pattern paper. I tried to show it to the camera. I don't know if you can see, but it's really shimmering. And you can see here, this one is just a plain effect. I don't know how else to call it. So so what you would need is your pattern paper, of course. I'm going to be using all-purpose ink Frost White from Stampin' Up. You're going to need your blending tool as well and a cotton bud. So what we're going to do now, it's very quick and easy. We're going to take a little bit of the ink like this, and I'm going to go all the way around the paper. My suggestion, try to do it on a lighter pattern paper, because on a darker one you can see the smudges, while on the lighter one you won't. Don't know if you can see it already. Look how gorgeous is that. I'm gonna go all the way around first. You don't really need much of the ink either. It's blending beautifully. A bit more here. Almost done. Ta-da! Look, what do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it, and I'm so glad I used it for my Christmas card. It gave it a little bit more festive feel, I think, festive look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.